Joe.
Yeah.
Joe.
Yeah.
Then take show white man, man.
Then show my nick.
Me here is a friend. A white skin version is called a Caucasian. Are you related to my Caucasian?
What's happening, my nigga?
Guys, I've seen this story, right? I don't know if this is a story, but this is just for laugh, right? We just need to laugh about it. Google, how do you pronounce it? Caucasian. That's a white skin or a white person. So this white man visits Ghana, right? Where it go Kumasi, Ashanti region to be precise. Asafo. Not the powers, but Asafo market. And it be like, it go... Guys, subscribe to the channel, put us on post notification, right? Put us on post notification, yes. Follow us on social, could you Sheldon Studios on Instagram, on Twitter, everywhere. So, when he visited the Asafo market, a young guy approached him that he dey sell Parrot. I don't know when the last time I see right now. Growing up, right up to now, I still don't believe this. Growing up, they used to tell us that parrots they talk like us. Is it true? They talk like how we do. Really?
Yes. Repeat, pepe. Really now come to me. Can really pepe more?
Oh, I've not had an encounter with parrots before. Growing up, something I've heard that parrots they speak like human beings. I don't know how it feels like. That's why I'm asking. So if I say how are you, the parrot will talk how are you? With what accent? Hyundai accent or what accent? And it will be clear for me to hear.
You hear Pepe.
Parrot.
How are you? How are you, Obeka? How are you, Pepe?
They're parrots. So he visited Asafo market, and then a young guy approached him that he dey sell parrot. What he say? He bring the parrot, then the parrot make quiet. The parrot is not speaking. The parrot is not engaging. And he asked the guy why. He said the parrot bed. If SHS will be siesta, the parrot goes siesta break. The parrot is taking a nap. So the seller told him that the parrot is taking a nap. Where the white man, the Caucasian said, all right, how much is it? Is it 300 cedis? Then he decided to purchase the parrot. Is it the way the guy they talks it? He take the parrot, he go out. Parrot. What that sorry? Mabo. Not knowing the parrot is deaf. Not deaf and dumb. The parrot died. They sold a dead parrot to this man. They packaged a dead parrot to this man for 300 cedis. The guy was like, a whole me?
Really?
This is something that should happen online. Online delivery. Then they go give you this kind of parrot. But you go stand there, then give you parrot bed. You agree, make Asafo powers. Yeah, the Asafo powers not Germany. So this man just buy the parrot, take come house. After he was like, recorded a video, right? Ladies and gentlemen, listen to our fellow Caucasian.
I will forgive every person in my life that scammed me. But this guy today who scammed me in Asafo, bro, he sold me a parrot and he said it's sleeping. So when I reached the house, I found out that the parrot is dead. It's not sleeping, it's dead, bro. I feel like an idiot. I bought a dead parrot. He said it's sleeping.
He said he'll forgive everyone for whatever they have done to him. But that Kumasi guy that sold a dead parrot to him for 300 cedis, he ain't gonna forget. He ain't gonna forget. It blows his mind. Watch your face. Now the man too, if you go dead parrot, you no go feel him. Dead animals, they like when you hold something that is dead, you are going to know.
Maybe they cage inside or something.
Way bed. Okay, true. Most parrots are in the cage. But parrot 300 cedis.
How?
Now Bola Bear say how much? You dey like cheap side. Because parrot 300 cedis.
How, bro? Come on, man.
How? Parrot. Now how much be dove or whatever they call them? Chicken say how much?
How much be Bola Bear?
Akukofun, how much be akukofun? Duck say how much? The parrot that can speak like human being, 300 cedis. Now the cage the parrot is say how much? No. Now me I see that now they think of, they tell you the parrot be 300 cedis. You make like they don't take like 1,000 or 2,000. But we boys be smart too. Put me show video, the package soap give somebody as phone. Now animal he die. By now the white man, you know how those white treats animals, right? Parrot. By now he take hand. Oh, Sleeping Beauty. No, take care. He just go out now. He bury He just bury 300 cedis. I see the video like, why is everyone laughing? And why would you even buy a sleeping parrot in the first place? Parrot don't sleep daytime. Parrot.
One of the most talkative animals. Who can say two?
Animal where every single moment they talk. People for Asafo market where people they make noise. Parrot bed. A busy environment. People they shout, yes, there's a parrot bed. Who they tell line a parrot bed. Parrot now on my bed. And white man, you left up, can't colonize we. Make your colonizer. They do you this. And you finish, you come online to come and rant. Twice. Now if you go to US or UK, who sells parrot for $30? Parrot $30. Charlie, let's be serious. Let me ask you. But how white man do they record video because of 300 cities? How? No, this one they be around. Oh yeah, I don't want to mention some country, but I know over Yemen. About how white man $330, they come online can rant. Say you forgive everyone that has wronged you, but for someone who sold you a parrot for $30, now say you go pay $29. Parrot. I let make the parrot. Let the parrot self go away. Because if you're a sane human being, you go to market to buy an animal. The animal is a bed, and they tell you the bed is sleeping or the bed they take a nap. Then you agree. You pay money for animal that is sleeping. Now even if you are going to buy the animal for soup, say if you buy animal with they alive, they go buy fowl. They say fowl bed. Fowl bed say. If you birds. They are one of these animals that even no matter what they are doing, if you tap them, they are going to respond. Chicken, fowl, hen, even goat. Animals are not like human beings that you call them. Animals don't do anything. So maybe you do this. You see them doing their eyes like this. Have you entered a hen coop before? They don't even see, even though they sleep, they don't sleep. And then they are running. Parrot bed from Asafo market to here. Now compare them with Asafo. As a photo film festival. This is not your of the day, right? This topic of the day. You go to the camp, everybody just laugh. And Asafo, this has not been the first time. The PZ, blue light, Asafo, that area. A lot of things they happen like this. Either it be mobile phone. Right now, they move from mobile phone to Parrot. Very soon, go be food. They will sell you dreams. Things that are accurate, then they go give you. What is wrong with these niggas? But well, somebody say at least he got a parrot. What is new with that? Great ampon. Kukofunu unya sova unya kukofunu. Ani sane riasitie. Riasiasis na nyenikai. Sane yasitiu eneniji na chinare. Yeah, rap we are saying, you know. Sabi you do phones and rap can Ghana cancel. You rap parrot. Now do we parrot? If you say do we groom parrot here? We they plant parrot or we they import them, right? So how you live US, you don't buy a parrot from US. So wait, people are trying to tell me that if I speak tree, parrot will speak the tree after me.
It's the same.
Parrot.
Go if you feel them. Go.
No, guys, I want to understand something. If I speak tree to a parrot, the parrot will repeat the tree.
Yes.
The tone will be changed more, but you repeat what they do.
Parrot. Well, guys, if you sell parrot for 300 cedis, just link me up. But I want a live parrot. I want to see how parrots are going. I've not had an encounter with parrot before, so I don't know how it works. But let us know if maybe if I speak Swahili to parrot, parrot will speak Swahili. My name is Ghc300. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Put us on post notification. I'm looking for parrot to buy. Yeah, parrot the Bible inside, right? If you dove, then what? Raven and what?
Dove and raven, I mean.
Okay. We're looking for parrot to buy. My name is Ghc300. We see you. We out.